CurlsQueen really outdid themselves with this half wig. Can you believe this is a kinky straight texture? I'm talking no lace, no glue, no spray. Simply blend your leave out and you are good to go. So many possibilities with this unit. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Stephanie. In today's video, we are going to get into a brand I have never worked with before. So this is going to be from CurlsQueen, and this is going to be a half wig, which is going to be very, very interesting because you all know that I have a pixie cut. So we are going to be blending in a half wig with super duper short hair. So I want to give you everything that you need to know about this unit first. We'll look at the construction. I'll take it out of the pack, and then we'll go ahead and install in its natural state. Now this one, I do know that I want to like curl up, and I'm going to do it on my mannequin head, but I am going to take you along with me while I curl it, and then we'll reinstall again. So this is going to be CurlsQueen's Invisible Versatile Kinky Straight Blowout Half Wig, and the length is going to be 18 inches. Price is $249.90. So I'm going to take this out so I can show you what it looks like in its natural state, everything that came in this bag as well. I just love this little bag. So super cute and convenient. I'm probably going to use this for travel, like for my essentials, but yes. Okay, so of course we have the unit in this bag. I'm going to show you that in just a moment. Also we have a bonnet, and it's like in this gold color, very, very cute. We also have a detangling comb, pink. We have a little thank you card, this little brochure here to show how to care for the hair. So let's go ahead and take a look at this half wig. All right, so here is the half wig. It comes in this bag, which is great to store the unit. I'm just going to take the netting off so we could take a look at the construction and the texture of the unit. So again, this is going to be a kinky straight texture. So here it is, very, very much so textured towards the bottom. But let's take a look here. Okay, so we have 3 combs in the front, 1 in the middle, 2 on the side. We also have 1 right here in the back. We have the elastic band that is removable. And then we also have a drawstring right here in the back. So the front of the unit is more so like the tracks are kind of like flipped over. So let's just go ahead and install, see what this unit looks like in this natural state. All right, so before I put this unit on, let me just state that this unit does come in lengths from 14 inches all the way up to 24 inches. It is a premium Brazilian virgin hair. Color is a natural black color, but yes, it can be dyed, straightened, lightened, whatever the case may be. I'm looking for the density on this unit. Is very, very thick. If I had to guess, I would say 180% density, but the half wig does come in multiple textures. So everything from like a 2C, 3A, all the way up to 4B, 4C. So lots of different textures with this half wig. But again, this one is going to be a versatile kinky straight. So the first thing I'm going to do to install is just push my wig cap back a little, and I just have on a nude wig cap, nothing special, but I want to just push it back just a little bit. Now if your hair is longer than mine, you're going to want to go ahead and just separate out maybe an inch back from your hairline and just pull that hair out now. For me, since my hair is a teaspoon short, I'm just going to leave it under the wig cap for now. Go ahead and put the wig on and then pull out the hair. So like any other unit, I'm going to go ahead and place the elastic band around the back of my head. I'm going to pull down the unit, place the back comb in the back of my hair, come around to the front, and I'm going to install the front combs. So middle comb, side combs. All right, so now last step is to pull on this drawstring and then just lock it into place. And with the end of the drawstring, I'm just going to tuck the end into the back of the unit. as so. All right, so with the front of my hair, again, I'm just gonna go ahead and pull out my hair around the hairline. And I know I'm gonna wanna have this like kind of a flip over. So just pulling out this hair. And again, if your hair is longer, you'll wanna do this step before you put on the wig. Okay, so here is what it is looking like currently. So again, this is just straight out of the box in natural state, the natural texture, but I would like to put in some wand curls. I feel like that would be really, really pretty on this texture, really blend in my leave out, and yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my mannequin head, and we're gonna put in some curls, but let me go ahead and turn around first. So of course, the front, side, this is the back, very, very full. There's a lot of hair on this unit. Side again, and of course, the front. So yes, let's go put some curls in. I did go ahead and wand curl majority of the hair, but I left this section on the side just so that I could show you exactly how I did it. So as you can see, I did not switch out the wig. This is the Kinky Straight unit, and I'm using a tapered wand curler. This is a small one. I do not know the name of it. If I find it, I'll put it down in the description box. But what I am doing is just taking down layers of hair. I am using some hairspray, so I'm going to use some of the Sebastian Hair Shaper Spray. And this is the plus one, so it's a firmer hold. And I'm spraying it directly on the hair. And with the layer of hair that I brought down, I'm going to separate it into smaller pieces and just wrap the pieces around the wand curler. And if you have never used a wand curler before, you're basically twisting as you're twisting around the curler. So your wrist is twisting as you're twisting it around the curler. You're going to hold it into place for about 10 seconds and then release. The nice thing about this curler is that it has a piece of silicone on there to kind of hold the hair into place. Now I know I should be using some gloves because I did burn myself, but that's neither here nor there. So again, just taking small sections and just wrapping it around the wand curler. And this is actually the day before I'm actually going to install the wig. So soon you'll see how the curls held up and how this unit responds to heat. So again, same process, just bringing down a layer of hair, spraying it with that hairspray, and separating that layer into smaller sections and just using the wand curler to wrap the hair around, let it sit for about 10 seconds and then release. All you're doing is repeating the same entire process throughout the entire unit. So this is what the unit looks like after I have put all the curls in, and I did kind of curl it in the direction of a flip over that I wanted to wear it. So let's go ahead and install. All right guys, so I am back as promised, and I did go ahead and throw in some wand curls on this gorgeous unit. So I inserted a clip so you can see exactly how I did it. I just used my tapered small wand curler. I have no idea what brand this is. I have had this for like 10 plus years, but if I do find something similar to this, then I will put it down in the description box in my Amazon storefront. But here is what the unit looks like. I'm going to turn her all around. Super duper cute. I cannot wait to put this on. So again, this is going to be an install of a half wig on a pixie cut hair. My hair is super duper short, so I don't have to like braid anything down. I really don't have to like flat iron my leave out or anything like that. So we're going to go ahead and just install, and I'm probably just going to do a voiceover just so that I can concentrate and install without talking at the same time. To install, I'm going to do the same exact process that I did when the hair was in its natural state. I'm going to push that wig cap back a little bit. I'm going to put the elastic band around the back of my head, place the back comb in the back of my hair. I'm going to turn around, install the middle comb first, and then the two sides. And then also I'm going to turn around again. I'm going to pull on that drawstring and lock it into place, and then tucking the ends of that string into the side of the unit. So I want to call your attention to the curls on this unit. So again, I curled it the night before, and just look at the curls. They're still there. They're still popping. So right now I'm just pulling out my edges to cover the front of the unit. And again, I don't have no hair at all, so it does not take a lot for me to really pull out the hair. If you do have more hair, just make sure to separate out your leave out before you put on the wig. Now I am separating the curls. I don't want it to look too uniform. I still want curl definition, but I do want it to be super fluffy. So I'm just separating the hair. I'm taking each individual curl and then separating it into 2 or 3 more curls. And I'm going to continue that process all over the hair, and I'm going to do the other side off camera, and then we're going to come back and talk about the rest of this unit. And just remember, this is your wig. Wear it the way that you want to. So if you want to fluff it out really, really big, do that. If you don't want to fluff it at all, don't do it. The whole point of wearing wigs, we don't want everyone's to look so uniform just like the next person. So make sure to customize your wig the way you want to wear it, that looks more natural to you. All right, guys, so this is the final look with the wand curls, and I did want to go ahead and separate them some just so it wasn't so uniform and gives a more natural look. Now, again, my hair is super duper short, so all I had to do was just comb out a little bit of the leave out, and this is what we are looking like around the hairline. Super natural. Like, my hair is so short, and now it looks fabulous in these wand curls. And a natural look. We don't have lace, we don't have to glue anything, we don't have to put any kind of makeup on any lace. Like, this is so super natural and super easy, super convenient. Love it. So let me just give you all the specs again, and we'll go ahead and wrap up this video. But she is a winner. Like, yes, this is a look right here. So again, this is CurlsQueen Invisible Versatile Kinky Straight Blowout Half Wig. So the texture of this unit is so natural. A kinky straight in wand curls. I don't think I've ever done this look before. I've done wand curls on like a deep wave before, but not kinky straight, and it's giving. Like, the volume is so pretty. Like, this is so pretty. So this unit again is 18 inches, so that's $249.90. It does have lengths ranging from 14 inches all the way up to 24 inches. Color is a natural black. It is a premium Brazilian virgin hair, and the density is densitying. I don't even know what the density of this unit is, but it is so full. Like, it's a lot of hair on this unit. I love that you're able to wear this unit so many different ways, especially if you have longer hair. You could do like a half up, half down look. You could do this flip over look. If you wanted to just have it like kind of parted in the middle, then you would be able to do that as well. But I feel like with the length of my hair, this kind of left side flip over look is absolutely perfect for the length of my hair. So this unit is so pretty. 100% human hair. They have different textures. Let me just show you a picture of all these textures that they have. Like, so many different textures on their site. So you could get something that matches your texture perfectly, without a doubt, for sure. But that wraps up this video. I don't think there's anything left to say. It's so pretty. Let me turn around. I don't think I turned around. So of course the front, and then the side, back, bouncy curls, and it's lightweight too. Like the heaviness of this unit is not heavy at all. Like it's super duper lightweight. And of course the front again. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with this look 100%. So I'm going to put everything down in the description box that you need. A link to CurlsQueen, a link to this gorgeous half wig. Of course, if I do have any kind of promo codes, I'll put that down there as well. But that wraps up this video. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.